Okay, we've had some issues, a wide range of issues in the last week in terms of really getting locked into how this is going to work on a weekly basis. So I want to do this quiz to make sure everybody knows exactly what I expect, because I'm really, by this point, we should be getting into a good enough rhythm with this that I shouldn't have to be going back and rechecking grades or waiting 2 or 3 days for people to get work turned in. I'm going to go over all of your expectations in a couple different sections. There are quizzes associated with this video just to make sure you're actually watching this so that everybody knows exactly what's going on. Number one, I want to tell you that I understand that it can be frustrating that all of the teachers' classes are slightly different. I get that. But remember, our goal, like I said, is to prepare you for a college class. My goal is to prepare everybody that comes through here for a college literature class. When you get to college, every class is going to be slightly different. You're going to have to do this. You're going to have to do a better job of budgeting time, looking at syllabuses, knowing what's happening for that week. That's what we're expecting you to do today. You're all juniors in high school and can handle it. Number two is communication. Part of what I'm going to deal with in this video is communication. I've had a lot of people who've had issues and then not reached out. You need to email if you have problems. You need to let me know if there are issues. Best way to do that is through email. So we're going to deal with that in this video as well. First thing I want to talk about is Planbook. You need to go to Planbook every single day. Planbook will give you a weekly overview. It's going to show you exactly what we're doing for the week, and you'll have an idea of it. I'm going to show you here on the screen exactly how to get to it. We've talked about this in class. You really should know, but I want to make sure that there's no misunderstandings as we go through this. So the first thing I expect you to do every day is check Planbook. To get that, you're going to go to the school website, wcsd15.org, or search for Williamsville High School. But this website, the school website, right here, this website. From there, you can go to staff pages under staff directory if you like. Easiest thing to do is to just put a / Kershaw. That's me. That will take you to my page. You're going to click here for daily lesson plans. This is exactly what we did in class. You guys need to be doing this every day. I can't tell you how many people have missed assignments, and then when I ask them, hey, did you look at Planbook? They go, I don't know. That can't be the case. You need to be checking this and know what's going on each week. Certainly on Mondays, and I would say every single day, check in on Planbook so you get an overview and know what's happening. You click right here for daily lesson plans, and that takes you to this screen. If you're a 302 student, that's regular track. That's up here at the top. 303 is the honors. That's here on the bottom. It's going to tell you week by week what's happened. If you need to go back to last week, you can click back. You're going to see there's even a lot of times there's links to different things they're going to be in Google Classroom, but it's an overview here. This is going to tell you what you need to do for class this week. Okay, so for today we worked on the cultural context in the 1920s. That's a video. If you had me in person, I talked about it here in the classroom. If you were remote, there's a video with me going through it. You need to watch that video. When you're done, there's a comprehension check on Google Classroom. So this is Planbook. I expect you to watch this, or to get on this every single day so you have an understanding of what's going on for the week and what's happening.